Storm chasers are adventurers driven by a passion for extreme weather and the science behind it. They navigate tornado alleys and hurricane zones, documenting nature's fury to expand our understanding of severe storms. Equipped with state-of-the-art technology, these professionals intercept storms, gathering data that aids forecasts and saves lives. Their work is a blend of adrenaline and academia, offering insights into the complex systems that govern our planet. For those captivated by nature's dramatic displays and scientific exploration, storm chasing provides an exhilarating career path with real-world impact.